Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday, which means we're doing another eye makeup look. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this very soft monotone cut crease using the Conspiracy palette, which was a Jeffree Star collaboration with Shane Dawson, which was released last year. I'm going to first prime my lids with the Milani concealer. This is in the shade 135. With a small blending brush by Colourpop, I'm going to dip into pigment. With this, I'm going to define my outer corner and crease. And then with a larger blending brush, again from Colourpop, I'm going to diffuse this and feather it outwards so it gives me that elongated eye look. And then with a smaller pencil brush, I'm going to smoke it out in my lower lash line. I'm also extending it outwards to connect it to the outer edge of the crease. Next, using more of the Milani concealer, I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to go all the way up to 2/3 of my lid using a concealer brush from Colourpop. Using my pills, I'm going to set the concealer. Again, the brush that I'm using is from Colourpop. I'm going to link it down below in the description box. And then with the same brush, I'm going to blend the two shades by moving pigment towards the inner part of the lid. I'm also going to use my pills in the inner half of my lower lash line using a small definer brush by Colourpop. And then I'm going to use it to highlight my brow bones. I want to keep this look as soft as possible, so in my lower lash line, I'm using a nude eye pencil, and this one is from Rimmel. Using this metallic eyeliner from Milani in Peachy Keen, I'm going to draw out a wing as well as line my top lash line. This eyeliner is a rose gold color and it looks so much more beautiful in person. And then I'm going to finish up with some lashes and mascara. For lashes, I'm using Pixie by Kiss. And for mascara, I'm using the Bad Girl Bang Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. My contact lenses are from TTDI in Euro American Grey, and here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below and let me know. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I've used in the description box right below this video. And if you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are also listed in the description box below. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays every single week. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.